In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a profile picture to your Gmail account. Adding a profile picture is a simple yet effective way to personalize your Gmail experience, making your interactions with friends, family, and colleagues a bit more relatable and recognizable. So let's dive right into this straightforward process. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Gmail website. Once there, log into your account using your username and password, and you'll find yourself on your Gmail home screen. The next step involves heading over to the upper right corner of your screen, where you'll see your current profile icon. Now, this might just be a simple letter or a generic placeholder image if you haven't added a picture yet. Click on this icon, and you'll be presented with a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the Manage Your Google Account option. This will take you to your Google account page, a hub for all your account settings. Once there, focus your attention on the left-hand side of the screen and look for a tab labeled Personal Info. Clicking on this will open a section dedicated to your personal details such as your name, birth date, and most importantly for us today, your profile picture. In the profile area, you'll see a circle with a camera icon or your current profile picture if one is already set. Click on that circle, which opens a new window with the option to Add Profile Picture. Here, you have a couple of choices. You can upload a new photo from your device or choose from any pictures you have stored in your Google Photos. To upload a new photo, click on Upload Photos and then select Choose a Photo from your computer. This will open your file browser, where you can navigate to the exact picture you wish to use as your profile photo. Once you've found it, click Open, and your photo will be uploaded. You'll then have an option to adjust the crop of your photo, allowing you to take that image just right in the circular frame. Move the selectors around until you're satisfied with how it looks, then click Set as Profile Photo. And there you go, your new profile picture is now live. It may take a few moments to be reflected across all of Google's services, including Gmail. But rest assured, it will soon appear next to your emails and in your Google profile. Remember, a good profile picture can enhance personal connections and make your emails more memorable to those receiving them. Thank you for following along on this simple tutorial. Now you can enjoy a more personalized and engaging Gmail experience. See you next time.